Okay, run day. Went on another run. Today, I went without my watch, which is very cool for me because I thought, okay, what are we gonna do? Are we gonna get all caught up in the fact that I don't have a watch, you don't know how far I've gone, blah, blah, blah. And that's the reason I do these things, because I'm really curious to see what I'm using as a tool and what I'm using as a crutch. So I'm all about the process, because in the run, if I constantly am up in my head, wondering how far, wonder if I'm going to walk, then I really lose contact with my body, and I really don't know if I'm going to injure myself or not. So as I constantly am reorienting towards what's going on in my body, I notice my breath changes, everything changes. Now, this is a dance, and it's not always easy. I'm not going to say it's easy. It's what you do because you're training. But what I really highly encourage is leave your devices at home unless you really need one. Like, if you need a heart rate monitor, don't take your heart rate monitor off if you really need it medically. But even if you do need it medically, notice if, when your heart rate's at a certain rate, what do I feel like? What's my breath like? Am I tense? I mean, you can use these gadgets so that they can be feedback, kind of a biofeedback system to help you. But all I know is that when I got back, I forgot to even look and see what time it was. And I was just more and more really enjoying the run. Because when I have a goal, I call them soft goals in running and ninja, whatever I do, so that I'm really enjoying the process, and I'm really all about the run. It's not easy. My mind jumps around, but more and more I'm noticing the difference, and injury is so much less likely to happen if that's a concern of yours. Okay, have a good one. Bye.